We made it right now. And we used the endpoints of the blue and yellow sticks.
And then if you like connect the dots, then
so it's kind of like making a kite, but it's not perpendicular.
It's kind of like making a rhombus, but it's not congruent. Sides aren't congruent. See?
Does it have to be in the middle?
I'm pretty sure.
Yeah, I think it has to be in the middle.
Because it has to be like both.
Oh, actually, it
equal
might not.
distance.
It might not.
I think it does, because it has to be equal distance from each.
See, look, these two sides are parallel.
Yeah, it wouldn't work if it was in the middle.
And these two sides are
these
parallel.
two sides aren't the same.
That's how we make a...
Like this wouldn't be a parallelogram. Because like the distances aren't equal.
Okay, so we have rhombus. Do we have all the shapes now? Wait, I have a question. Do you want to ask Ms. Humphreys, do we have to show trapezium? No, right?
Wait, what do I write for parallelogram? It has to be in the midpoint?
It has to be the blue stick and the yellow, the short stick and the long stick have to be put together at the midpoint.
At the midpoint, and any angle
of both sticks, and then
any angle except for
perpendicular or parallel. We'll make a parallelogram.
Okay.
So then for pattern of creating a rhombus.
So if
create a rhombus. No, say short stick, not blue, because blue, it could be like red, it could be yellow. Just say short stick. Push the short stick.
Long sticks.
The short stick.
And
long stick.
And what's the word for like moving them? Like I put, if you connect the short and long sticks at their midpoints and like move them, or
any angle in the middle.
If you if you connect the short and long sticks at the midpoints,
and
any angle you put them in, except for perpendicular or parallel, will create a parallelogram.
Any angle you put them.
Wait, isn't a rhombus technically a parallelogram? Because two sides of so we could say parallel too. So it could be parallel too. Because see, these sides are parallel.
Except for
except for parallel.
Yeah, except for parallel. Put them in.
Wait, ask her. Do you want to ask her if we have to do trapezium to show trapezium?
Okay, hold on. Except for parallel.
Yeah, but I'm
kind of with the group right now, so.
We'll ask her later and make them perpendicular.
So are there like any other shapes that we can do it with?
We have rhombus, we have parallelogram, we have rectangle, square, we have kite, we have trapezoid.
Are there any other shapes?
Trapezium, I think that's it. Quadrilateral, I think that's it.
But that can be like anything, right?
Exactly, but that's why.
So it could be like any other option we can do?
Other than trapezium, I don't think so. I think we did.
I don't think you can define trapezium because it's
exactly,
like any other
shape.
So there's no like specific definition.
Oh yeah.
It depends what kind of trapezium you want to make.
So how about we don't? Wait, do we have it? Everything we have, right? Is that it?
I'm pretty sure.
Wait, for the kite, it has to be the short and the long sticks, and they're perpendicular in the middle, and one must cross at the midpoint. Or does it matter which midpoint on the other one?
Except for the endpoints, right? If we have to write for each one, wait, we have to do. Do we have to explain each one, or can we? Do we have to? Wait, since we each explained our own, do we have to? And we put it together. Do we have to each copy each other's work? No, right?
No, we can turn it together.
Yeah.
So, did we do the rectangle?
Yeah.
It was just.
I made a rectangle.
See, look, we noticed that if we put the pin in the middle of the two of the two sticks, and I need to make this more clear because it doesn't make sense. If we put the pin in the midpoint of both sticks, of both of the long sticks, and make them perpendicular, then the shape will be created is a square. And if the angles are not right angles, then a rectangle will be created.
Yeah.
Okay, so middle of the two. Pick the midpoint of the two.
We have two.
Be sure you're what is it called? Specific on your explanation. Midpoint of.
So you're thinking you can't make a parallelogram with what you've got, is that right?
Well, we've been trying and trapezoids and pretty much every other quadrilateral you can think of, and we just can't seem to get down the parallelogram.
Huh.
Can't get this exact.
Are you keeping track of every single thing you're writing down and in order?
Well, I have them in order of when I wrote them. The observations, I wrote them. I just categorized them with what I thought they pertained to.
Okay.
So like this would pertain to squares and rectangles, and what I wrote down here, so about the kites.
Oh, excellent. So are you keeping track of what you're trying as you're trying to find a parallelogram? So keep track of the things that aren't successful as well as the things that are. All right. So why don't you work together as a group? See if you can do it to get a parallelogram.
And you think we can make a parallelogram?
Do I think you can? Yes, I think you can.
Wait. Oh no, we don't need more rhombuses.
Both
Observations,
the short. So a kite with two long?
One long and one short. Wait, a rectangle? I mean, square's a rhombus, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Just checking.
What?
I was asking if square was a rhombus.
Oh.
Yeah. And it's also kite, right? I
don't think you can make a rectangle out of it.
That's what I was saying, but I wasn't sure. I didn't try long enough.
It's like,
This would make
No, that would make a kite.
Isn't that what I'm making?
Yeah, sure. Good idea.
Okay, so this makes a kite.
Because a kite is like shaped with two sets of parallel lines, right?
I don't think we need a rhombus.
I know.
you can't make a rectangle out of this.
Okay. Then.
Yeah. I made a parallelogram.
What's rectangle? Oh, rectangle.
Wait, do we have a parallelogram with a short and a long? Did you write it? Yeah, you did.
Yeah.
You did.
Okay, yeah, I had it.
Did you guys try to find a trapezoid with one long and one short?
No.
I think a rhombus is kite.
Oh, you are.
But what did you make that one with?
Long stick and a short stick.
That one was kind of equal.
If it was equal, that would be more square because these are like, yeah.
But like, you can't really tell which one. Like this one, you could tell this one's the short side and that one's the long side.
Did you do like this?
Yeah.
So you like when you go by circles, the short one matches up. Right here. Yeah. So, could you ask Miss Humphries? Real fast? Sorry.
What I
Yeah.
can, but what do you want?
Could you ask if rhombus is a kite? I'm sure it is.
So if that rhombus is a kite?
Yeah, we'll just rhombuses in general.
Would that rhombus also be a kite? Would this rhombus also be a kite? That is where you need this.
Good idea.
No, I can't read it.
A convex quadrilateral in which two pairs of adjacent sides are equal, but opposite sides are not parallel. Oh, okay, so it's not a kite.